Okay, heating up dried out plastic with a heat gun. My technique, you can do this with a torch also. Technique I'm using is kind of similar to welding or spray painting, that I'm getting it hot and doing circles rather than lines, and working over and working in a garage where I can have some shade. It will melt the plastic. You are melting the plastic. But if the panel is brittle, this is going to help with that a lot. Or completely faded out, like this on top here, it is bringing back color. But it can and will look melted. Like this is what I got going on here. This is kind of what it should look like. That's kind of what it looks like. Also see people take like some Bondo or something and build like a mold of the texture and use the mold as a stamp. So once you get it hot, they then stamp it quick with a texture rather than it looking smooth like that or bubbly. It can look burnt also. This is a worst case scenario, that you get the heat gun out and start doing this. And watch, you will melt everything else too. The heat time is depending on how thick the material is you're working with, and it actually heats up and melts a little longer after you take the heat off of it. It gives it a little time. It's almost as if it's burning. If you ever watch plastic burn, it just sits there and seems to keep on going. I would suggest, if you have any dark marks like those, scuffing them off if possible. Before you melt. Because once you melt, it's there, it's permanent. Unless you sand it down or whatnot, but so the circling just heats up the whole area rather than just one spot. Keeps it from forming lines as much as what I'm experiencing. Good luck.